Ever wanted to instantly adjust the size of your creations in Adobe Animate? Let's uncover the fast scaling shortcut in Adobe Animate. Begin with an open project featuring an object, anything you're working on, a shape, graphic, or character. The magic key, selection. Select the object by clicking it directly or via the Layers panel now. Use the free Transform tool. If it's not activated, select it from the toolbar or the Q key. Press S on your keyboard to watch the changes get ready to be impressed. Note your object's bounding box transforming to scale. Use the anchor points like the free Transform tool. Click and drag corner points for proportional scaling. Scale from the object's center using S while dragging anchor points or setting values in the Properties panel. Adapt this with other Transform tools for different angles. Perfect sizing. Enter width and height percentages in the Properties panel, holding S for absolute control. A quick way to scale animations in Adobe Animate. Scale and edit seamlessly. Happy animating.